everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope so you all are doing great and so am I. I'm back with a sit out video. आज तक कुछ प्रीवियस मेरे वीडियोस जितने भी थे उस समय मैं ट्रैवल कर रही थी, बट बैठ के वीडियो बनाना मैंने ऑलमोस्ट क्लोज टू निल कर दिया है. तो आज जो मैंने हेयर बोटॉक्स कराया, आई जस्ट थॉट टू शेयर दिस एक्सपीरियंस विथ यू ऑल अगेन टुडे. सो लास्ट जो मेरा वीडियो था जिसमें मैंने हेयर स्ट्रेटनिंग कराई थी क्लोज टू 5 ईयर्स बैक, और उसके बाद मैंने अगेन हेयर स्ट्रेटनिंग कराई थी क्लोज टू 3 ईयर्स पहले. और उन दोनों का ही जो एक्सपीरियंस था वो काफ़ी बेटर था. वो मैंने आपके साथ ऑलरेडी अपने चैनल के ऊपर शेयर किया हुआ है. अगर आपने वो नहीं देखा है तो इट्स कमिंग समवेयर ऑन द आई बटन. प्लीज क्लिक ऑन इट एंड हैव अ लुक. सो सबसे पहले जो मैंने हेयर बोटॉक्स कराया है उसका जो टेक्सचर है हेयर पे वो कुछ ऐसा है जो मेरे ऑलरेडी बाल में जो हेयर कट थी उसके ऊपर करने के बाद इट लुक्स लाइक अ लिटिल स्ट्रेटन काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. सो हेयर बोटॉक्स इज लिटिल डिफरेंट फ्रॉम हेयर स्ट्रेटनिंग एंड ऑल बिकॉज इट claims that it gives a good kind of repairing to your hair, और उसके साथ साथ also it gives a good shine. So that was the reason I have to attend an event in October and November, and this is what August. So उन जिससे भी मैंने कराया है they claim that yes मेरे बाल का texture और मेरे बाल का color सब कुछ till October November ऐसा ही रहेगा. So hope for the best. Let's start with the question and answer round. First of all, what is the price? It's close to 9,000 rupees क्योंकि मेरे हेयर जो है वो below the shoulder length है, तो इसलिए मुझे 9,000 पड़ा था. आई गॉट इट डन फ्रॉम जावेद हबीब विच जो मेरा हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट है. ही ओनली डज माई हेयर ऑल द टाइम एंड आई ट्रस्ट हिम. तो इफ यू गेट इट डन फ्रॉम अ गुड प्लेस विद अ गुड हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट देन रिजल्ट्स आर टोटली डिफरेंट. बिलीव मी, रिजल्ट ऑफ हेयर बोटॉक्स, केराटिन, एवरीथिंग ऑल्सो डिपेंड्स ऑन द पर्सन हु इज डूइंग दैट. इट्स ऑल्सो डिपेंड्स द वे दे do hair straightening in your hair and everything. So that's why you should get it done only and only from good places, no matter how much it costs, and also the hairstylist should be good. So that's why I just went for that person and I'm super happy with the results. The next question is which shampoo and conditioner I am using. So I am advised to use this shampoo which is like from System Repair Vela. And I also got this thing, what we say, repair mask kind of something, which is again from System Repair. Both of them together cost me around 3,000 rupees. So if you are searching कि high end products आपको नहीं use करना पड़ेंगे after doing hair botox, so that is totally lie. You'll have to go for like at least minimum 3,000 per month. You'll have to spend on your shampoo and conditioner and mask even after doing hair botox. So yeah, it's a little costly process if you are searching for something. Like after doing hair straightening, still there were options which were not high end, whether they were Vela products or L'Oreal products. But with hair botox, these shampoo and conditioners are not the options. You'll have to go for like high end ones. So that is what I did. How much long lasting? That was the third question which is usually frequently asked. So I was told that maybe till 6 months definitely it will last on my hair, and since I didn't want to go for keratin treatment, which I totally don't or ever suggest, so I didn't want to go for it. Therefore I went for hair botox. Now is hair botox something what the people usually use for their face fillers or something like that? No, it's just a name, hair botox. It doesn't do any kind of reverse aging or helping in your hair fall or something like that. No, that is not done in hair botox. It's just a simple process, just like how smoothing and straightening or keratin is done. Simply like that, hair botox, the name is given. It doesn't do any age reversing or something in your hair. Does it protect with dandruff or anything else? No. Next question, can you use henna or coloring for your hair, or maybe oiling for that sake? You can do any kind of oiling in your hair. You can use hair oils, you can use your normal coconut oil or any kind of oil for after doing hair botox or something in your hair. But what you cannot use after doing that is henna. Henna is a total no because that will affect the whole hair texture. But coloring is allowed maybe after a month. You can definitely color your hair, and before that also. So if your hair are actually colored or bleached, then this process does not take the time which it usually take. Okay, so how much time did hair botox take? It took me around 4 hours for my kind of hair. Like they were little good in texture and things and stuff, so it took the person 4 hours in total. He had applied something on my hair, और उसको apply करने के बाद they don't do a hair rinsing or hair shampoo. They start with straightening on that hair itself. So yeah. Next question, how safe it is for the teenagers or pregnant women or other kind of. So yeah, it's not advised to do hair botox or for that sake any kind of hair treatment when you are pregnant. So if you are pregnant, you cannot do hair botox, you cannot do hair keratin, you cannot do smoothing or straightening or anything. That is a totally no-no while being pregnant. Otherwise, you can do that. If you're 18 or less, that is what the most asked question on my channel. If you're 18 and less, you wanna do it, take permission from your elders. I think they will give you the answer whether you can do that or not. Okay, next question about hair fall. My hair fall has not reduced, which was the case when I did hair smoothing. Before, my hair fall did reduced a lot, but abhi hair fall mein koi change nahi aaya. Maybe because with age and things and stuff it changed. But what thing was good, which I will really appreciate, is कि मेरा hair fall बड़ा नहीं, जितना होता है जैसा considerate amount of you get you see a portion of your hair here and there, बस उतना ही था, not more than that. So overall, my experience with hair botox was good. I am again happy with another hair treatment which I took place. I did it because there's a wedding coming in my home and I really wanted to have a good proper hair, and that's why I just went for it. So I hope you all liked my today's review. If you have any of the questions, please drop it down in the comment section. I will, and I always reply to those comments. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any more questions related to hair straightening, smoothing or something, then please keep updated, share it on comment section. Also, I'm traveling again, so lots of travel videos coming up, so I'm sure you don't want to miss on that. Hit on notification bell icon. This is all from my side. Thank you for watching Prachi's Lifestyle. Follow me on Instagram if you want. It's Dear Prachi, and the link is in the comment section. Please go in the description box and comment section and give this video a like if you like it. Let's get the YouTube started. Also, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. This is Prachi Parekh. I share videos on YouTube related to travel, lifestyle, fitness and skincare. I share lots and lots of videos related to hair care treatments. I've shared videos related to keratin. I've shared videos related to hair smoothing. I've also shared videos related to lots of travel places by road. So all the road details, which routes to travel from, everything is there. If you want more details, you can visit my YouTube channel, which is Prachi Parekh, which is Dear Prachi, like how you love your life kind of stuff. I've done a little bit of eye makeup today and I have used Huda Beauty products. The lipstick I am using is from Maybelline and I have used K Beauty lipstick as well. This is all from my side. I hope we can connect on Instagram and YouTube as well. I have also posted video of related to travel from Bangalore to Rameshwaram, which is doing quite nice, and also from Bangalore to Goa road trip. So if you are planning to travel to these two destinations, then definitely you can check those videos before going there. Comment down below that you were here. Have a nice day. Bye bye.